Hello everyone and welcome back to another Discord.js tutorial. It has been a while, but we are back with the Discord.js tutorials, and today we will be talking about how to check for roles and permissions using Discord.js. So let's say you have this just an admin only command. Let's just say admin.js. So we're just going to go ahead, take our module.exports, and we're going to paste it in there, and we're just going to call this admin just for the purpose of this video. And here we have that. That is perfect, exactly what we want. Let me just quickly get my bot here. Okay. So what you want to do in order to check for any roles that they have, you want to go, and the first thing you want to do is make an if, else if statements. So, well, if else statement. So if message.member, this means the member who wrote the message, dot roles, if they're roles, dot cache dot has, parentheses, and inside the parentheses you want to do single quote, and you want to go into, this is the one that I want, and let's say that, let's make a new role, and this role is going to be called admin only. So we're going to go admin only, or just administrator. How about that? We'll make it yellow, and we'll move it to the top, display roll number separately. I'm not going to give it to myself just now, but what I want to do is I want to go back into here, go back into the roles, click that, and click copy ID. Another way to get the ID, as I've mentioned before, is you do this, but this pings the user, so unless you're in a undeveloped server, then you do not want to use that. And then you just copy the part that I've highlighted. You basically ignore the at and the and to get the role ID. So now you want to go ahead and put that in there. And don't worry about the error right now. That's going to go away in due time. So then you want to open it up with brackets. And what you're going to want to do is, this is just saying that if this person has this role, then you want to like message.channel.send new discord.message embed, and then like dot set description hello there admin. So this is gonna be how it is, and then else you just want to do message.channel.send you do not have the required roles to perform this command, and you can change that error message however you want. I'm going to save it, I'm going to clear the console, and I'm going to go clear it, and I'm going to node space dot to wake up the bot, and then it'll change to node, give us the startup message, and here we are. As you can see, the bot is nice and online. So now that the bot is online, we can try doing the admin command -admin. What seems to be the issue? Cannot read properly. Cache of undefined. Did I spell something wrong? Oh, I see. It's supposed to be roles. I accidentally did roll. It should be rolls in plural. So just no, I don't want to save as. I just want to save. Control C, clear, node space dot. Hopefully this should work now. We're gonna do -admin, and it says you do not have the required permissions because, as you can see, I don't have that right now. Now I'm gonna give myself the admin role, and I'm gonna do -admin, and there we go. See? So now it does that. And what else you want to do? Well, another thing you can do, this is going to be admin, let's just say manage messages.js. That's a really long command name, but you know, go back into your module, go back here, and we're just going to call this mm for short. We can get rid of the alias section, we don't need that. And instead of doing what we just did, what you're going to want to do, it's actually very similar, but it is not the exact same. So what you want to do is, actually there's two ways you can do this technically. You can do if message dot member dot has permission, and then parentheses, and then all caps, and if there's a space, you go underscore. Let's say manage underscore messages. This is usually for mods. You want to just message.channel.send. Hello, manage messages permission, dude. Where did this parenthesis come from? Oh, that was our error. So else return message.channel.send. No. There seems to be an error right now. Oh, that's why. Okay. The parenthesis is missing from there. So what this is doing is that it's checking if we have it, and otherwise it's saying no. But this is in an if-else loop. So currently, I don't think I'm the owner, but I'm gonna go on to my alt account, which should not have any permissions. And what we're gonna want to do is here we're gonna try mm. It says no, but on my main account, if I do -mm, it should say hello manage messages permission, dude, because I'm the owner of the server. I have managed messages permission. So that's how that works. One way that I think would actually be preferred, because it does not take up as much space when coding, is instead of doing this whole if-else statement, you would just get rid of all of this. You'd put an exclamation mark right here, and then you'd do return message.channel.send no. So then you would go, okay, what that return means is that, okay, stop it there. They don't have that, stop that command there. And now we're going to do message.channel.send yo. So it's either going to be yo or no, depending on your permissions. You can do clear node space stop, and it should work perfectly. -mm yo. But in my alt -m it's going to say no. So that is how you check for permissions using discord.js.